Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your home. Yes? Okay. Today, again, I am here with a beautiful and inspirational story of Lord Ganesha. Do you know, children, who is Lord Ganesha? Yes? Very good. So, first of all, we all have to pray. Then I will start the story. Okay? So, everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes? वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बू फलचारुभक्षणं उमासुतं विनाशकारिकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपंकजम. Now rub your palm and wipe your face very gently. Very good. सो चिल्ड्रेन, डू यू लोग सबसे पहले लॉर्ड गणेश की पूजा करते हैं. किसी भी इवेंट या किसी भी कोई भी पूजा हमारे यहाँ होती है तो हमारे यहाँ सबसे पहले गणेश जी की पूजा होती है ना. एंड गणेश जी के 12 और भी बहुत सारे नेम थे. 12 नेम और थे उनके, जैसे कि वक्रतुंड, एकदंत, कृष्ण पिंगाक्षा, गजावक्त्रा, लंबोदरा, विकटा, विघ्न राजा और धूम्रवर्णा, बालचंद्र, विनायका, गणपति एवं गजानना. इतने सारे इनके और भी नाम थे. इनके बड़े भाई भी थे जिनका नाम कार्तिकेय था. उनको हम लोग सुब्रमण्यम के नाम से भी जानते हैं. ठीक है. एंड आपको पता है इनका फेमस टेम्पल कौन सा है? सिद्धि विनायक. यस, वो फेमस इसलिए है क्योंकि उस मंदिर में जो उनकी ट्रंक है वो राइट साइड में बेंड है, ना कि लेफ्ट साइड में. आप हमेशा देखेंगे कि गणेश जी की जो ट्रंक होती है वो लेफ्ट में होती है, बट सिद्धि विनायक में वो राइट साइड में है. एंड डू यू नो चिल्ड्रन व्हाट इज द फेवरेट फूड ऑफ गणेश जी? यस, गेस. मोदक. वेरी गुड. एंड उनका फेवरेट जो फ्लावर है वो रेड हेबिस्कस. रेड हेबिस्कस जो होता है वो उनका गणेश जी का फेवरेट फ्लावर होता है. और अब आपको ये करना है कि अब आपको अपने पेरेंट्स से गणेश जी के जितने भी नाम मैंने बताए हैं उन नाम के मतलब पूछने हैं. ठीक है. और आपको अपने दिमाग में रखना है कि उन नाम के मतलब क्या होते हैं, और आप अपनी वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करके वो आप मुझे भेज भी सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो चलिए स्टोरी देखते हैं.
Lord Ganesha causes the moon. On Ganesh Chaturthi, everybody makes Ganesha's favorite sweet, laddus, and offers them to God. One year, Ganesha, sitting on his vehicle, the rat, went from house to house eating his favorite laddus. After eating a lot of laddus, wow, what a feast! I'm full now. I can't eat any more. Come on, dear, let's get back. Oh Lord, you have become so heavy. I can't walk properly. As they were going down the road, a huge cobra appeared in front of them. This scared the rat. The poor creature trembled so violently that Ganesha fell down from his back. Hey, look out! Ouch! Oh, I'm sorry, Lord. Ah! What are you doing? Ganesha rose and dusted himself. Oh Lord, I didn't mean to drop you. Not your fault. Forget it. As Ganesha turned to mount the rat again, the moon started laughing. Ho 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 ho! Ha 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 ha! What a sight it was. Stop laughing at me. Ho 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 ho! Ha 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 ha! Ganesha's eyes began to burn in a deadly anger. Laughing at me, Chandra? How dare you? You will have to pay for it. But Chandra kept on laughing. Ho 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 ho! Ha 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 ha! Now Ganesha exploded with anger. Raising his hand, he hurled his battle axe at the moon with all his terrible might. The laughter stopped as the axe sank deep into Chandra's chest. Ah! The moon lay stunned, and his bright silvery light began to dim and fade. My light is dying. The gods looked out of their heavens in surprise. Where's Chandra? Why are the heavens in darkness? Someone must have killed the light in him. Peering down, they saw Ganesha shaking an angry fist at the sky. I think Chandra has done something to offend Ganesha. We better go down and calm his anger. The gods heard about everything that had happened. They shimmered down and stood before the furious little god. Please forgive him. Please give Chandra his brightness back. The world will be lost without it. No. Where has his laughter gone now? Now what? We will wait. Ganesha's anger is not of the lasting kind. As soon as the gods sensed the anger diminishing, they made their move. You must restore his light. Please, the world needs it. Chandra must shine in the sky. Okay, I will do it on your request. As Ganesha assured them, a dangerous sparkle still lurked in his eyes. But he's going to remember tonight for the rest of his life. He will not shine bright and full all the year round, as he used to do. His brightness will grow slowly, and for just one night, he will be in his old self. Then his brightness will begin to fade until there's none left, just like tonight. The gods knew this was the best they were going to get. That will be fine. I haven't quite finished yet. Chandra is too proud of his beautiful light, isn't he? If anyone looks at him on this night, he will be blamed and punished for a crime he has not committed. Poor Chandra, look what he has achieved. From that day, the moon slowly gets brighter, becomes full for just one night, and then slowly fades away to darkness. Also, no pious Hindu looks at the moon on Ganesh Chaturthi for the fear of Ganesha's curse.